Get ready for the heating season. Get a furnace tune-up with a Wi-Fi thermostat for only $199. Give us a call at 1-800-487-9041. Schedule a time and date. We go out and tune up your furnace and install a brand new Sensi Wi-Fi thermostat. Tune-up includes 20-point inspection, combustion analysis, checks for carbon monoxide, inspect safeties, check for proper operation, check efficiency, ensure your system is ready for the heating season. Give us a call, 800-487-9041, and schedule today. Don't let the cold fall in. www.hvacmas.com